What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. I am JT Traveler and today it's crazy windy outside, but that's a good thing because if you saw back there, I have a kite. Let me show you the kite. Check it out. I'm saying I had the Phoenix kite. Sorry if the audio is bad, it's gonna be windy today, so it's gonna be part of the whole effect. So I got this Phoenix kite. And the reason why I got this kite is because I am going to not hook it up, but I'm gonna use this to wind power my bike. So we're on the ZiZZO Forte once again. And right here, here's this kite. But if this doesn't work, I have a backup. I know for sure this will work. The goal today is to get to a big parking lot and, that's how windy it is. Everything just blew over. So I gotta be careful. Let's get this thing up. Woo, it is windy today. Here, I'll just put my hands around here so you guys can hear. But I don't have money for an electric bike right now, so I want to find the next best thing. And so far I've been doing all the elements. I've biked in the rain, I've biked in the cold, and today we're biking in the wind. I am basically an avatar. We're airbending today. So let's get to that big parking lot and let's get going on our testing. I tried taking off, but have I derailed? Let's see. Oh yeah, something's happened. I'm gonna go ahead and do this with my multi-tool because I don't want to get too dirty. Go ahead and pull that. Oh, it's jammed in there. It got jammed. Oh, almost got it. Almost got it. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Got it. Just gotta seat it back on the track. There we go. That's why I say keep a multi-tool on you. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do the kite here. Alright. It's the Phoenix. It wants to go. It wants to be free. I'll let you be free. Just wait. All right, we're at this random parking lot. Not really too sure where I'm at. Oh my gosh, I haven't done this in forever. Oh my god, it's up there. It's up there, guys. Fly, fly, Phoenix. Oh wait, you gotta run. No, it's crashing. Oh, are we flying? Uh oh. Come on, keep on going. Keep on going. Run, 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 run. If we run, we're good. Oh, no. It crashed. That was a little pre-game. I'm not too sure how I'm be able to go on the bike and ride this at the same time. It's high maintenance. The other idea I thought of, I think will do a little bit better than this kite. All right, that was fun. But we're gonna go to a bigger parking lot so that we're not so close to these cars, just in case we have a runaway Phoenix. It's gonna be another day of bad audio for you guys. I'm sorry. Hope you understand. Hope you guys forgive me. Sorry for that too. Oh my goodness. But you guys look at that. I was just biking and all of a sudden you get a cybertruck right there. Crazy, 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 crazy. I don't think that was the same cybertruck. Uh-oh, dead squirrel. I don't think that was the same cybertruck that we saw last night in my video, because it had a license plate on that one. What do y'all think? Y'all think that the cybertruck would be a good camper hauler? Let me know in the comments. I think it would be a great camper hauler, in my opinion. You guys see that car? It's blocking my way. Should I hop it? You guys think I should hop this car? I'm gonna try. All right, here we go. Oh wait, that's an Audi. Never mind, I can't afford that. I can't afford that. I'm gonna go around. I know you guys are disappointed that I didn't hop that car, but honestly, it all comes down to me being on a floating bike right now. I don't have my wind power abilities, so I can't get away fast. It's just me pedaling. So once I develop this wind powered biking system and I patent it and I get money for it, that's when I can do things like jump in cars, because I can pay to get it fixed if they notice that I did it. All right. All right, we're almost there. 19 more minutes. When it comes to the weather in Texas, the wind is aggressive. The thunderstorms are like literally like somebody's playing drums in the sky. And when the thunderstorm crackles, it shakes your whole roof. It's a different type of sensation. I went over to a bike store the other day. Oh, let's do this hop real quick. All right. Went over to this bike store the other day and I tried a bigger tire. So right now I'm on a 20-inch. I tried a 28-inch. And it felt so weird, man. It was like going from barefoot shoes to boots. that's how it felt. I learned that at 5'11", I'm a large. And all they had was mediums. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe I'll go to like a 26-inch, like the Paratrooper Montague. I think that's how you pronounce it. Montague. Yeah. Yeah, I don't got nothing on me today. Oh my God. I like coming back here. It just reminds me. It feels like I'm playing Zelda. It was on the GameCube and he had these mounds. It was like very outdoorsy. Oh yeah. There you go. There we go. 4 minutes away. You're coming up on it fast. Pick up some speed. All right, this is where I want to be. Yes, girl. All right, let's get this started. The ZiZZO Forte has fallen again. I still got set up. Looks like this is prime central for practice driving, which is understandable. But I am going to have to take over this turf. Oh no, my napkin. Oh no, my fuzzy. I don't think I'll be able to get those. Let's see. Let's run, guys. All right, napkin, I'm gonna let you go. First thing we're gonna do is fly the kite. We're gonna see how good the kite flies. Make sure it flies in straight of a line that we can use it on the bike. Here goes the kite. I bet nobody expected me to pull this out my backpack. It wants to fly, everybody, and I am going to oblige. Yes, come alive, Phoenix. Fly, fly. Look at it, it's beautiful. We are now going to prepare the phone for further testing. Oh, there we go, we got it, we got it. Everything's recording. Right, it's in the air, it's flying. Great. Now we hop on the bike. We hop on the bike, keep it up there, keep it up there. Oh no, it's going down, it's going down. This is so dangerous. Let's go right hand. Yeah, there we go, that's better. That's better. All right, take me away. All right, I'm moving. I'm not moving, the wind is taking me. Oh, yes, it's working. Oh yeah, it's working, guys. Oh no, it's working a little bit. Okay, we gotta go straight with it. I don't think it's strong enough. Oh no, it's coming down. Oh, it's working a little bit. It's working. Can you guys see the iPhone? It's working, guys. I promise. I'm not moving anything. We have found it out. Infinite levels of power. Amazing. Uh-oh. We're getting close to a car. All right, let's go back and reset. Is this the police? Did somebody call the police on me? There is no way. That's not the police. I was about to say. All right, let's try this again. It wants to be free, and I feel the vision, but we just have to have some type of constraints. Are you guys ready for attempt 2? I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up way up in the sky this time. Excellent. Let's give it some more. Give it some more. Uh-oh. Come on. Yeah, I think that's good. All right, not moving once again. Oh no. Oh no, not moving. I'm not moving. Let's try to get to the other end. All right. Yeah, we're picking up speed. I'm once again not moving. Not moving one bit. Oh my gosh, this is working. This is working. I'm a genius. I'm a freaking genius. Oh my gosh, this is working. This is working a little bit too good. This is working, man. This is freaking working. This is freaking working, everybody. picking up speed. Oh, let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, this is too much speed, everybody. It's too much speed. Oh no, where am I going? Oh, let's brake. We have to brake. We have to brake. Okay, that worked. It's working again. All right, we're going to the side this time. All right, let's ride it back. Riding a bike while flying a kite. All right, before we switch the other one, let's see how high we can get this kite up in the air. Yeah. Wonder how much air we can pick up. Man, if I let this go, it's getting. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's kind of dangerous with the cars around. Woo-wee! It's beautiful. It's like a wild animal. I knew you could always do it. Falcon. I keep calling it Falcon. Maybe it's a Phoenix, but I'll just call it. Its name is Falcon. Uh-oh, it's crashing. It's crashing. It's crashing. It's crashing. Okay. Better. Doing good. All right, let's reel it back in so it won't hit no cars. All right, guys, it's time to do it again, but with my creation this time. This, for sure, has to work, because it's coming from JT Traveler. If I'm going to be a traveler, I have to be a successful one. I have to go airborne. So let's go ahead and attempt that. So this is it. I know it doesn't look like much. Oh, snaps. So that right there shows you a little bit of its power. All right. Next time we got that side. Now I came up with this in about 10 minutes. So if it's flawed, that is why. I'm crazy. Oh yeah. It is the Traveler sail. And I'm sure that this will work. Oh my gosh, this will work good. Are you guys ready to fly? This is scary. All right, this is going to be crazy, guys. This is going to be wild. Are y'all ready? Let's turn the sail. This is going to work a little bit too good, probably. Now, the main problem is I kind of can't see where I'm going. Oh my gosh, this works really good. Oh no. Oh no, it's a flawed design. It's twisting on me. All right, let's reset. Time to reset. Oh my God, bro, this is crazy. It's too powerful. It's too effective. Oh no, this is a mess. Oh, that's too powerful. Let's just go for it. Let's go for it. Hey, oh, it's taking me places. Oh, it's not as effective, but it works. I can't see where I'm going though. That's the only problem. Oh my gosh, this works amazingly. I'm not even pedaling at all. We're going fast. This is going faster than the other one. Wow, this is fast. Oh my gosh, we're going too fast. Oh my gosh, this is fast. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh, it hit me in my face. I call that a successful test. I think this is the key to life. For energy to be wind-based. No more e-bikes. No more e-cars. Just W-wind. What would the name be? Just wind-based bikes and wind-based cars. Just imagine one of these cars with a sail on top of it. That's a pretty good idea, actually. The final goal for this is to get to the other side of this parking lot. We are all the way over here. We have to get all the way over there. Let's make it happen, guys. We have good draft. We got good draft. Let's go. Not pedaling. And we're going. We are off. Man, this is like somebody's pushing me. Okay. We lost wind. Where is it? We lost wind. So far it's like a little breeze taking us. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Slipping. There we go. We're still good. We're still good. Uh-oh. No. Oh, no, we're not good. Sail. There we go. Now, if I glued everything together, we would be golden. Oh, I lost wind. I lost the wind. There we go. Let's go out here. Let's keep going. We won't go. Oh, no. We lost the sail. We lost wind. Okay, we're still going based on the energy that we generated from the wind, and we are still going. Glass. Hopefully nobody steals my backpack. We're still going, and we're out here. I'm gonna turn around. But yeah, I didn't pedal once, but we made it pretty far. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this crazy video. I had a lot of fun making it. Hopefully we got enough data for these bike companies to start making these for our bikes, so that way we can be wind powered, wind-based power. Please like and subscribe. Check out some of the other videos. And as always, have a good day. Adios, dude.